Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I am bringing you guys another hair mask protein. It's actually Cardi B hair mask protein, guys. Yes, so she said this is what she used to grow her hair, so I decided to give it a try. So this is basically what we are gonna be needing on this hair mask. The first ingredient is castor oil. You guys know this is actually black castor oil. If you don't have black castor oil, you can also go ahead and use a normal castor oil. The next ingredient is mayonnaise. Yes, I will be using two and a half spoon of mayonnaise, and the next ingredient will be banana. Yes, and my favorite one is avocado. Yes, I love avocado. It's really good for hair. And then I will be adding 2 eggs. Yes, I'm adding 2 eggs because I'm gonna be making for my kids as well, so I think 2 eggs it's really good. And the next one will be honey. Yes, honey is really good for hair. It moisturizes your hair, it brings shines, and it strengthens your hair. So the last and not the least ingredient she used is avocado oil. She actually used avocado oil, but because I'm already putting a fresh avocado, so it doesn't matter. So I just go ahead and use olive oil, which is also great for hair, and it can strengthen your hair as well. And then I will be putting everything in a blender, and then I will be if you're new to my channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for always coming to my channel. I really appreciate. And to all my old subscribers, thank you all so much for always visiting my channel, leaving comments. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, may God bless you. Yes, you guys know this ingredient Cardi B said she used on her hair. It's pretty much the same ingredient I'm always using on my hair. You guys know I have used pretty much all these products, like all these ingredients in my hair already. I know how great they are. They are really nice. They can help your hair, especially they can bring especially coils out of your hair, and they can soften your hair. Yes, they are really good. You can try this mask on your hair like once in a month, and they can really help your hair to grow. Trust me, especially this castor oil and olive oil. You all know they are both great for growing hair and strengthening hair. Yes, so here is my daughter hair. She is like, this is the struggle, you know. So basically this is the first time I'm putting such things on her hair, so she was quite excited to put the mask in her hair. But when I started applying the mask, she was crying. Yes, because it was a bit cold, so she was like, mommy, it's cold. So it was a struggle, but anyway, we did it, and it was really nice for her hair. And I have been really trying to grow her hair thick, because as you guys can see here, she have a very thin hair. Yes, her hair and my son's hair is not the same at all. They are both different texture, like quality of hair. But I'm so excited that she got this kind of hair texture because she's a girl. You guys know. So for my son, I can be cutting the hair every time I want, because she is a girl. And this this texture of hair is also good. It's not too difficult to manipulate. You know, you can just put some cream and you just comb it. Yes. So I didn't apply too much honey on this mask, because you all know it's a baby and I really don't want her to. I was a bit scared, to be honest, if I can have any infect on her hair. But honestly, no. We did this mask already. I think it's already 5 days, so I haven't seen any damage or nothing. So if you have a baby, you are feel free to use it for your baby's hair. I don't think it's gonna have any side effects. I know Not everybody is the same, but or you can try and avoid some stuff. And also with the egg, it was so good for my baby girl's hair, because I also need something that can strengthen her hair. Her hair is really really light, like it's so thin. Yes, I think this mask will be so perfect for her hair, to help her hair get thicker a little bit. Yeah, so I try to comb the hair session by session here, and as you guys can see, the mask is already doing an amazing job in her hair. It just left the hair smooth and, you know, so soft. Yes, now we cover the hair, and I move up the boy's hair. He was happy. He was quite happy, you know. He was really really happy because this is actually their first time putting something in their hair, you know. I wash their hair every once in a week, but I actually haven't put any mask or any other stuff. So they was really really happy to have this mask in their hair. So this is my crazy hair, yes. So yes guys, I session my hair in this little session like this, and I just applied the mask on my hair and little session, and then I comb them, and then I cover them for like 45 minutes, as long as you want, you know. I think it was about 1 hour, I think. Yeah, because we were so busy doing something else. So and I tried to wash their hair first before mine, so I think it took me like 1 hour or so, or even more, I can't remember. You know, mom's life. Yes. Yes guys, this mask is very very good. Okay, it's really really good, trust me. I have used almost all these ingredients on my hair. Like my sister said, my hair is a bougie hair. It's eating all the fruits and veggies in the house. Like, yes, at least I don't want to go and be buying products. You know, you have a lot of great products in your home. What you eat in your body, like Cardi B said, you can also put it in your hair. I think it's that word she said was really perfect. Everything you eat in your body, if you have the opportunity, you can also put them in your hair. So I know when you eat them, they're also working in your hair as well. But if you have the opportunity to put them in your hair, just blend them together like this and then apply it in your hair. It was really really good. The mask, I love it. It's really good. It softens my hair, and it really bring out a lot of coils. And yes, you guys know castor oil is great for hair, and olive oil is great for hair. Banana, avocado, they are all great for hair, you know. They can help your hair to really grow and stay healthy. Yes. So yes guys, I just combed everything together, and then I covered the hair for 1 hour, like I said. Then you can wash it out, and I was so lucky that we actually didn't got any banana cuticles in my hair. Everything really washed out, and I was quite happy, you know. Yes, that's it for this video, and I hope you all enjoy it. Like I said, you can give it a try if you want. It's very simple. I will be linking all the ingredients that I use